In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to Excel. Whether you're analyzing sales trends, creating reports for your team, or just trying to get a clearer picture of your data, being able to seamlessly export your Salesforce data into Excel can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to log into Salesforce. Open your internet browser and enter the Salesforce URL in the address bar. Enter your credentials, username and password, and click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your Salesforce dashboard where the magic happens. Next, we need to navigate to the Reports tab. This is where you'll find all the functionality you need to manage and create reports. In Salesforce, the Reports tab acts as your central hub for generating new reports or accessing existing ones. Once you're in the Reports tab, it's time to create a new report. Look for the New Report button and give it a click. This initiates the report creation process, allowing you to customize and build a report that's tailored to your specific needs. You'll then be prompted to choose the report type. Salesforce offers a variety of report types, ranging from tabular to summary formats. Choose the type that best suits what you're looking to analyze or present. Consider what data you need and in what format. This will guide your selection. After choosing the report type, you'll need to build your report. This involves selecting fields, filters, and any other criteria that refine and shape the data you want to display. Take your time here, as the more accurately you build your report, the more useful your data will be. Once satisfied with your report's configuration, click Run to preview it. This helps ensure that everything appears as you expect before moving on to export. With the report looking just right, the next step is to export it. Locate and click the Export button. Salesforce will offer you a choice between exporting a formatted report or details only. A formatted report maintains the visual style and layout, ideal for presentations. The details-only option is more raw data focused, often preferred for further data manipulation in Excel. Make your choice based on how you intend to use the data in Excel. Finally, confirm your export choice by clicking Export. Your report will be downloaded as an Excel file, ready for you to open, analyze, and share. And there you have it, a simple process to export your Salesforce data into Excel, empowering you to dig deeper into your data, generate insights, and share findings with others. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your data analysis a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy exporting!